Welcome to Tiemann Defense. If you are facing DUI charges and have a professional license, you need to understand the serious consequences that can follow. Although California does not have a uniform policy on how a DUI affects a professional license, each licensing board will have its own specific guidelines on how the DUI will affect a license. Most state licensing boards are concerned about convictions for crimes involving moral turpitude. All licensing boards are concerned about the potential for an underlying addiction problem. DUIs with accident, DUI with injury, DUI with high blood alcohol, or DUI for drugs can all have significant consequences on your professional license. If you are an applicant for a professional license, each licensing board will have its own specific guidelines on how a criminal conviction or pending DUI will affect your application for a professional license. The best advice is to contact a professional licensing attorney to guide you in the filling out of your application so that you comply with the required reporting requirements. Every licensing board will have specific reporting requirements that you are subject to. Even if a DUI doesn't cause you to lose your license or suffer any discipline, you may still have to report the conviction to the agency. Make sure you read through the policy on criminal arrests and convictions for the entity that issued your license and follow the reporting requirements applicable to you. Failure to comply with your board's requirements could result in discipline on its own. Most reporting policies can be found at the website for your specific licensing board. Some professional licenses have mandatory reporting requirements. This means your licensing board will be notified of your arrest. Your board will then send you notice indicating they have received notice of the pending charges. They will require you to keep the board up to date on the outcome of the case. The licensing board will want to know how the case is resolved and if you suffered a conviction. Once your case is concluded, they will determine what action to take. You should work with a DUI attorney who has experience working on cases where there is a licensing board-related issue. You have to make sure what happens in court and the DMV won't affect your professional license. Only experienced attorneys who have dealt with these issues should be relied on in representing you. Your professional license could depend on it. Call Tiemann Defense at 916-939-3900 for a free consultation. Don't face DUI charges alone, especially if your professional license is at risk. Contact Tiemann Defense today. We will protect your rights and defend your future.